market is falling. A shadowy puppeteer jerks the red candles, shaking out the weak hands.
Enough games, puppeteer. Time for alt-season.
I hold a green pill to pump the charts, and a red pill to crash them. Pick green, and I'll make it move. Can you spot the green one? Choose, or watch the market burn.
Your trick is obvious. I'll take the pill in your right hand.
Well, Bull, what color did you swallow?
Can't say. Show me the pill you kept. Then we'll both know.
Red. Wait, that means you took the green.
Manipulation ends. Alt season begins. Yeah.